Hi! In front of me is Lenovo K6 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. Firstly, you need to access Settings, then scroll down and tap on Apps. Now click on this gear icon at the top right corner over here and select App Permissions. Then pick one of your phone's features like Location and select one of your apps. Now click on the switcher next to it, for example Calendar. As you can see, Calendar just gained access to my device location. If you wish to deny it, just click at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!